Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect via Bluetooth your phone or any other device to your LG XBOOM CL98. So here we have a huge massive CL98. You can see beautiful device. So here is the device. So I hit the power button. You see, hello, everything is ready. Check, let's check. Everything is ready here. So this phone, I want to connect with this device. This is iPhone 14. If you want, you can connect any phone, Samsung, LG, whatever. So we have to unlock this phone. Here we go. Then we have to go to Bluetooth option. I slide down. Here you see Bluetooth. Hold this one. Hold couple of seconds. You'll see different option. Better to go to Bluetooth setting. Here we are in Bluetooth setting. You see LG CL98 6B. Other devices. I hit this one to connect. Here you can see paired. Here is iPhone. And here you see it's connected. So this is ready. So let's see if it's working or not. I go to YouTube Music. Here we go. One of the best YouTube Music. And I put a song. Let's see. Wow, amazing. So this is the way you can connect any Bluetooth device with your LG XBOOM CL98 or any other version of sound system. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.